welcome back to my channel. My name is Risha. If you're new here, I don't know why I have my hands up like this. Maybe I was trying to wave. So, hey girl. Today I am going to show you what I was able to get for my girls' Easter baskets before the store started to close. Did you get your stuff? Well, I wasn't able to get everything, but I got some stuff. So let's get right into it so I can show you some of the goods. So for my 6-year-old, I got her this photo frame, but it also holds change. I don't know what it's called. It put me in the mindset of a shadow box, but it says small change for big dreams. I don't know if you can see that, but I thought it was so cute. And then I got her this lip gloss set. She is always trying to take over my lip glosses, so I thought this would be cute for her to keep in her little purse. I got her this book. It says A Little God Time for Girls. Because you know, sometimes we get so wrapped up in these holidays that we forget the reason for the season. Jesus is the reason for the season, yeah. And so I wanted to just keep that in the forefront of her mind, that it's all about God. No matter what is going on, remember to keep God first. Start your day with God, end your day with God, and your day will be a lot less hectic, okay? Because y'all know these kids be stressed, and they be stressing us out. So I got that for her, and I thought it was a really, really great gift. This is actually my favorite gift out of everything in the box. And then I got her this picture frame. I like to just put a little, you know, a little sprinkle of goodness all around her room. You know, just little fun quotes, happy quotes. It says, throw confetti around like kindness. So I thought that was really cute. A nail set. This girl loves nail polish, okay? She's a girly girl. So I got her this, and I thought it was really, really cute. The colors are real Easter-like, and I know she's gonna be extremely excited for this gift, especially. I got her some bubbles. And then I got her this, I don't even know what to put all this stuff. I got her this cute little book. It says Prayers and Promises. This is another fave of mine. And I thought it would be cute for me to be able to read this with her and to her, just to get that in her mind as well. Remembering the reason for the season. And then this is my other favorite. This one is my absolute favorite next to that book. So it just says important, strong, brilliant, deserving, worthy, beautiful. I got her these little headbands, and I thought they were so cute for Easter. Now she has a lot of hair, so I really don't know if it's gonna be able to hold all of it, but maybe I can do some like top knots and add this onto it. I got her this cute little shades case and these super cute glasses. She's always complaining about the sun being in her face and it's hurting her eyes, so I thought that would be a cute little accessory. The only candy I have in her bag that I was able to snag so far was this Easter bunny candy. Is it really an Easter basket without candy? But I don't know. So that's all I got for my 6-year-old. All right, moving on to my babies. And she is, let me tell you about this gift. And I don't want no judgment, okay? None. I'm real cheap, frugal, thrifty, whatever you want to call it. So when I'm out shopping and I start to see my money dwindling away, I'm like, oh, I'm just gonna wait and come back another day, because when I break up the payments, it doesn't seem as bad to me. Not that this was very expensive, it's just I'm real cheap. So I was like, oh, I'm gonna go back to the store for my baby and I'm gonna get her basket by itself. Well, and then everything shut down. So I haven't been able to make it back out to Walmart yet, so I had to go dig into the vault in case I don't make it there. So don't judge me. Some of this stuff is I've already had put away. I just brought it out and I put it in her basket that I already had as well. So here is Bubbles, because she loves them. She is 18, well, she's 1. She's about 16 months, 17 months, one of those. And I have some Play-Doh. Y'all know the kids love Play-Doh. They love Play-Doh. Now don't judge me here. I had some chalk and it was actually not open, but we went outside the other day and I got a little excited, so I wanted to play with the chalk. So it's open, but I'm gonna let her play with it again. And then I got her these flashcards because it is time to continue learning these colors and shapes and letter sounds. And I got another set of cards. It's just color matching colors. This probably all came from the dollar store. Like I said, I had all this stuff just in a box somewhere. And then that's pretty much it for hers. I think I'm gonna probably add some snacks in here with maybe some fruit. I'm not giving her any candy. No, okay? No. She might, no. I'm not even gonna start that trend right now because she's a little young and I know she's gonna love it, okay? So I'm not gonna start that. If you guys have any tips or any ideas of what else I can put in my baby's Easter basket, go ahead and let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. And you know I like to shop, but it better be on sale because that's all we do. And lastly, I have a whole bunch of these. I don't know, it's probably, let me tell you, before I cut this camera on, everything just fell out the basket and I was like, okay. I tried to make it look cute before I cut the camera back on, but anyway. So I got them these cute bunny hair ties and I thought this was so cute. So it just has a little hair tie here and I just thought that was cute for Easter. And that is basically it. Like I said, this block and this book here, it has to be my favorite. Comment down below which one of these was your favorite gift. If you have any other ideas for me, go ahead and leave that in the comments down below as well. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.